Are you taking our advice and practice trading as we recommend? Are you staying with us 10 to 15 minutes a day and following the information that we put out on our daily market reviews? I just have to go ahead and ask you to commit yourselves or recommit yourselves if you've fallen off the wagon. It is so important that you follow these markets on a daily basis. And the reason is because you're not going to learn the nuances if you're not doing that. I also want you to watch the video I'm going to attach to this video on an easy method for tracking practice trades. You can do it with freestockcharts.com TC2000, the paid version. It lets you put in the stock, ETF, whatever it is that you are, quote, virtually buying. You can put it into the list and it will actually enter it on the time that you buy it, and it'll allow you to track throughout the course of your practice trade. I also want you to print out the PDFs for at least the weekly market worksheet. Please do that once a week. At the end of the day on Friday, when I record for you the comprehensive review and forecast, I want you to fill that out and at least keep that sheet. And of course, the most important thing is to do practice trades and record your trade worksheet. Those PDFs are found in the show notes every single day. If you're not a subscriber, then you need to subscribe at chartingwealth.com for free, and you'll see in the show notes those PDFs where you can print out your own trade worksheet, daily market worksheet, weekly market worksheet. But please commit yourself every day. It's so important. Anybody can find 10 to 15 minutes in a day. I can, you can, anyone can who's committed. And I assure you, this is some of the most important time that you can spend, is the time with us to build retirement options early, to build your future, to be prepared. This is a critical time. I don't think I'm overemphasizing this. I truly feel it. I believe it. And you're not going to be ready if you're not practice trading, if you're not with us every day, if you are not doing these things. None of this costs money. This costs time and energy, which is a lot more difficult than money. There's plenty of us out there who can write checks for people to do stuff for us. Nobody's going to be able to do this for you but you. Let me say that again. Nobody is going to be able to do this for you but you. It's your life, it's your decisions, it's your money. And you are going to have to do this for yourself and for your family. And if it's important, which it is, it's going to all fall on your shoulders. So, let's all stick together. Let's all work together. Let's all make this work. Let's be committed. And all it takes, 10 to 15 minutes a day. It's those little things that you do every day that add up to victory or defeat.